Alright, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be putting a rear diffuser on the 335i. Here is our new diffuser. As we can see, it's just an eBay $100 diffuser. It's made out of plastic, but it sure beats this faded looking diffuser. Also, it's a bit more aggressive. You can get it with a LED light right here for brake light, but I thought that was a little bit too much. So all we're gonna do is replace it, and it should make the rear end on the 335 look a bit better. I feel like that's all it's missing, something in the rear, which I think this diffuser fits perfectly with the black and white theme. So we'll go from there and see how it looks. That's it right here. One bolt, two bolt. And just like that, this thing is out. It's pretty much flimsy plastic, nothing really crazy to it. So it's just plastic. It's already looking a lot better. I barely put it on, and it already is looking. Let's just put this thing in a little by little. You kind of have to be careful with it, obviously. But pretty much that's how she's gonna look right there. I think it looks a lot better. Only thing, let me show you guys real quick. Only thing fitment wise would be right here. I guess there's a bit of a gap, just a tiny bit of a extra gap right there. And only other thing I did notice was that this hole right here is not drilled all the way. You can see it's missing the hole where it's supposed to be drilled, so I'm going to have to drill the hole myself to lock it into place right here with the screw. And I think there's one more down there somewhere, but yeah, just drill some holes. And then fitment was kind of okay. Like I said, there's a bit of a gap right there, nothing too crazy though. But for like 90 or I think like $100, it's not too bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see ya.